May gaganda pa ba sa lithium na kasya lahat? Mas pinalaki, walang maiiwan at mas marami ang kasya. Mega talaga ang NXT Mega! Pang TODA? Check. For municipal or barangay use? Check. Pang school? Check. Pang delivery? Check. Pang business? Check na check. Mega ang features, kaya kung naghahanap ka ng reliable transportation, eto na yon. Panalo sa space dahil kasya ang 9 passengers, kaya siguradong walang maiiwan, lahat kasama. With 900 kilograms loading capacity, kaya perfect for transport business, resort shuttle, and barangay service vehicle. Kaya din ito ang 100 up to 120 kilometers range at merong 30 amperes fast charging. Mabilis mag-charge, bagay na bagay para sa mga busing taong katulad mo. Mega din ang safety at comfort features dahil meron itong frontless brake at rear drum brake, heavy-duty front shocks, LCD panel, rain cover, roof rack with ladder. Panalo sa biyahe, protected at safe ka pa. At higit sa lahat, naka-lithium na din ang battery nito na 72 volts and 125 amperes. Mas pinamega pa ang NXT Mega with the following features. Motor, 3,000 watts permanent magnet synchronous motor. Controller, peak power 150 amperes. Speed, 50 kilometers per hour. Charging time, 3.5 up to 4.5 hours. Tires, 4x12 with spare tire. Front suspension, heavy-duty 43mm shocks with spring. Rear suspension, lift spring. LCD panel with voltmeter. Battery indicator with CAN protocol. Bright top light with a dimension of 300 by 137 by 200. Weight, vehicle 340 kilograms. Battery 63 kilograms, a total of 406 kilograms. And available in 2 different colors. NXT Mega comes with the following warranty: 1 year on motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.